That's a sweet setup. Truck camper and a Jeep Wrangler. I'm at the Sleep in Your Van starter kit. Flying J. Here's my van. Jose PhD asked me, are you ever gonna do a Gorman Hungry Valley Flying J meet ever again? Let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to do that meet again. We could be neighbors at Flying J in Gorman and then head to Hungry Valley, do a little off-roading. So the next big lifted van meet is less than 1 month away. Day one will be Friday night. It will be at the Flying J near Slab City, 30 minutes away from Slab City. That will be truck stop camping if you could make it. Day two, we will head to, on a Saturday morning from the truck stop, we will head to Slab City, hang out there a little bit, then head to Anza Borrego. And I will leave details in the comment section where to meet up on Friday and Saturday. Hopefully you could meet us on Friday night. And if you can't, Saturday for desert camping. So if you've never been camping in your rig before, or if you're just an adventure junkie, come join us. As always, you don't need a lifted van to join us. You don't even have to have a van to join us. I want to give a shout out to Vampire Lifestyle. He showed up in my live stream 2 Sundays ago and he would like to join us at this meet. It's his birthday weekend. Vampire Lifestyle, hope you join us, man. Check out his channel. It's nice to see a Dodge van represented. I would love to see a Dodge van at this meet. These meets have been Ford van, heavy, and just random vehicles like Colorados, Corollas, and Jeeps. So I would like to see a Dodge van there. Gen X Van Life, Mr. Mav. He sent Bigfoot 4x4 my way. And Bigfoot 4x4, I notice a lot of you guys follow him. I've seen this guy around. I've seen his van along with Gen X Van Life's van on Chocolate Man in a Van's channel, James. So Bigfoot 4x4, he messaged me telling me he would like to join us. Come join us, man. And he told me his girlfriend has a 4x4 GM van just like him. So check her out, Fantasy TV. There he is right there, Gen X Van Life. Fantasy TV. In fact, let me hit the bell here. I will check out more of your videos when I have time. But there you go, 2 GM vans. So I would like to see that Dodge van that Vampire has and 2 4x4 GM vans. This meet's gonna be epic. Quick video on the upcoming lifted van meet. Giving a couple of shout outs. Here's my simple setup: fridge, electricity, my bed that turns into a sofa. Here's how I get internet, my laptop. Check out those Instagram accounts and YouTube channels. I hope they all join us. If you're itching to take your van build out for the first time, this is the meet to go to. It's gonna be a lot of fun. This meet's gonna be great. So I'm gonna put details on the upcoming lifted van meet here and here.